presenting the Ford 2009 Edge Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 3.5L V6 Duratec engine, front-wheel drive, heated front seats, seat heated driver seat, seat heated passenger, leather seats, power driver seat and power passenger seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.